In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to select multiple files and folders on your Mac. So here we are in my Finder, in my Downloads folder, and the first and easiest method of selecting multiple files is clicking somewhere next to a file and just dragging. And when you do that, you can see I'm selecting everything that falls underneath that area where my cursor is dragging. If you want to select files that are not adjacent, that are not next to each other, you just hold down the Command button on your keyboard. So select the file and then Command, select another file, and as you can see, holding down Command allows you to select any of the files here that are not next to each other. If you are in a list view like this, you can actually select the first file and then hold down Shift on your keyboard and go to the file you want to end on and go ahead and click that one, and it will select everything from the first file selected all the way to the last file, and that is holding down Shift. Something I like to do is if you want to select all files in a folder, you go ahead and go to Command A on your keyboard, just like you would to select all text in a word processor, and it will select all of the files in that specific folder. These keyboard shortcuts work in the Photos app, the Notes app, anywhere on your Mac. You can go ahead and Command click to select individual files. You can Shift click to select a range, and you can go to Command A to select everything within that specific folder. And that's how you select multiple files on your Mac. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe. There'll be a pinned comment with some frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.